Hello everyone, Uncle Frank here, and this time we're going to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. It's actually very simple. We can just start with a couple of circles, a big one for the head, and a smaller one for the body. Now I'm going to mark where I think would be the center of the circle. And this horizontal line is going to be the place where I think the nose is going to be. So again, I'm going to mark the center of the lower circle. Now I draw two rectangles for the legs. Socks, which don't have to be perfect right now, and his shoes. Notice that everything I have drawn so far is based on geometrical shapes. Now his hands are gonna be around the waist. And we just have to connect the hands to the shoulders. Now one more circle for his belly. Here I marked where the nose was going to be, and I'm gonna draw an oval, which again doesn't have to be perfect. His smirk is on the side, and now let's draw the eyes. And two ovals for the irises. His ears are gonna be on the edge of the circle. Okay, so the rough sketch is basically done. Let me get my permanent marker and reinforce the lines I want to use. Enough. Now let's erase the pencil lines and see what it looks like. That's it, clean drawing. Now I think it's time to color it. I'm gonna start with the dominant color, which is dark blue, and that's a lot of area to cover. Now I'm using a light skin tone for the colors of the ears, mouth and belly. Let's not forget the arms. Now for the shoes. I know there is a small circle, which I think is some shine. So I'm gonna draw the circle and color it in red around it. All I need now is some light blue to shade the eyes and the gloves. Let's use some of it for the socks too. Here it is, our own Sonic the Hedgehog is done. Well, I hope you have learned something today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.